How UV printer do customization service. Here is the personalized customization function supported by UV machines that cannot be ignored. No demand for quantity and no complicated process make the customization become more and more popular. Just offer your idea or image, which UV printer can print anywhere. MCUV0609X3 machine has 3 pieces print heads for CMYK White and Varnish, easy to operate, and the customer is just required to be familiar with Photoshop. Nocai printer is a good helper to more and more customers who are interested in doing an online business for personalized service.